Hello, boys and girls. Today for writing, we are going to learn opinion writers expect a disagreement. So, when you look at book covers, sometimes you look at them and you read them, and then after, you may have an opinion about the book. So, these are three different books that we have read in the past: Lily's Purple Plastic Purse, Chester's Way, and Chrysanthemum. So some people may think that Chester's Way is the best book. Some people might agree, and some people might disagree, meaning they have a different opinion. They might think that Chrysanthemum is the best book or Lily's Purple Plastic Purse. So when someone says they agree with something, they have the same opinion. And when someone disagrees, they have a different opinion. So today's teaching point is writers tell why, disagree, or don't like something by giving a reason. So to disagree is to have different ideas or opinions. Like for example, I love broccoli. That is my favorite vegetable. But some of you might disagree and say, no, I do not like broccoli. I disagree. I like carrots instead. Another way to show that you don't like something is dislike. The word dislike means is the feeling that you do not like someone or something. So I dislike mangoes, or I dislike apples, meaning you don't like them. But it's very, very important when you're showing disagree or agree that you must have reasons by making sure that your sentence have the word because. So today, boys and girls, our assignment is going to be about seasons. We are going to write our opinion about a season we like and dislike. So there's spring, summer, fall, and winter. So you're going to pick two seasons and write a season that you like and a season that you dislike. So here's my example. My favorite season is fall. It is the best season because I can jump on all the leaves. Another reason I love fall because of Halloween and get different kinds of candy. Now, on the second part, you're going to pick a season that you dislike. I disagree with people who like winter. I dislike winter because it gets too cold and you get stuck inside all day. Another reason I dislike winter because I have to wear a huge winter coat. So I wrote a season that I like and I wrote about a season I dislike. And I make sure I use the word because and have two different reasons to show my opinion. So I have two different reasons to show my favorite season and two different reasons why I disagree and dislike a season. And then on the bottom, you could draw a picture of your favorite season and a season that you dislike. So now what you have to do now is take out a notebook or a paper. These are the four seasons that you could pick from. You're going to pick two, one that you like and one that you dislike. And these are different sentence stems to help you write this opinion. You could use it or you don't have to use it. So if you need to use it, you could pause this page and it could help you write your opinion. Okay? And now after once you're done, you draw your pictures of the two seasons. Make sure you color, you label. If you don't have any of those things, it's okay. Try your best. Then after, you could either take a picture or post it on your class dojo so your teacher could see. If you have any questions, you can always write us a message. Okay, off you go.